Mike Buds. Tracy Olek, Green is out. Carrero gets the jump. Here comes the box play over to 63 up on the outside. Keep your eyes deep in the field on the Macedonio boys. Robin Sloan and the number 28 of Kevin Casper. Sloan works the outside of Nick Macedonio and the number 92. They go double wide off the corner. Look at Tracy Olek. 3 wide off the corner. Carrero gets that 43. She's got to back off the throttle on that long wharf seafood Ford, and she loses a host of positions as the 26 of the season takes the lead for Mike Butts down the back straightaway. Well, Carrero got all crossed up as she dragged back Olette in the 4 and the 28 of Kevin Casper. Everybody going to attempt to try to make up room. She continues to fight the wheel. Back up in front, Mark DeJesus has run it out. Roscoe has about 5 or 6 about 7 jump lengths over Macedonio, and he's bringing with him his older brother, Jay. Jason fourth on the grid, right behind it. Right in front of the number 17 of Joey LeMay. He got the number 63 of Mike Butts on the outside. As Butts slides back to fourth. Nick Macedonio second. Jay Macedonio third. And here comes LeMay. Joe LeMay already a feature winner this season, as well as both of Macedonio. 3-time feature winner in this field is George Rigo. He's trying to look on the outside to make it 3 wide. He'll count out Robin Sloan. She has a feature win this year as well. But back to the line, Roscoe DeJesus. He'll come back, and he's got a halfway down, halfway to go. 5 laps into this heat event, and Mark DeJesus has a commanding half a straightaway lead over the Macedonio twins. Smoke off the number 20 of Stanley Sherman as he tries to hold on to that number 20. You can see it as he lets off the throttle going into the corner. Officials keeping their eyes on the number 20, the Roses Garage, number 20 of Sherman. That truck is going away. Looks like he has a ringer or something going in the motor. DeJesus has almost a straightaway lead over the rest of the field. The Macedonio brothers continue to battle for the second and third spot. And here comes Johnny Tripp. Tripp back after an injury earlier this season. He's been back for a week or so, and he looks like he's got the MBSA truck at number 18 running up to the second, trying to get into the second spot. Here we go this time for Roscoe DeJesus. Black flag coming out for Stan Sherman. Sherman with a couple laps to adhere to it. Let's see if he goes off. One more lap for Roscoe DeJesus. See if he can hold on and pick up heat number win number 1 of the season. On from second on back, this is a very exciting race. Jay Macedonio just gets by his older brother Nick by about a truck length. George Rigo has a problem down the back straightaway, but Mark DeJesus holds on for the win. Second is the number 14 of Jay Macedonio with Nick Macedonio third. Joey LeMay, Johnny Tripp, the top 5. Robin Sloan, Kevin Casper, George Rigo, Mike Butts, and Tracy Olette rounds out the top 10 as Stanley Sherman goes up in a plume of smoke off of turn number 3. Billy Clark in the number 1 has been behind the wheel of a race vehicle for 50 years. That's that's longer than most of us have been alive. And congratulations on his diamond anniversary victory. Right away, Green is out. Right away, Rich Turpity goes to the lead on the MMA truck at number 5, and he gets some big-time competition because here comes Alan Leach, Bernie McDermott, and Tommy Keeper. They go 3 wide down the back straightaway. Look at the 43 of Alan Leach. That truck is on the 3rd groove right now. They're running like it's on rails. McDermott having some handling problems in that number 84. Brian Clark raised his hand and says, "I've got a problem. Everybody make it by." And a tough break for the number 2 man in the Seekonk Sports Truck point standing. Turpin is now sideways. He side slaps the truck off the corner, gets it back underway, and everybody's trying to struggle behind him. But what that does is that lets Alan Leach get out front. He has about 6 truck lengths over Turpin, and here comes the number 65 of Pat McClellan. Alan Leach has opened himself a very comfortable 6 truck length lead over the number 5 of Richard Turpinning. Battle going on behind Turpinning between the number 65 of Pat McCrowan. Tom Keeper right there on the outside. Here comes the number 27. As he tries to work his way up towards the front, that's Mike Clayton in that purple and white Kings In machine with Ray Souliere right there behind. Souliere, as we said, has the onboard camera. You go down the courts on Tuesday night, you pick up the video from Frank and Helen, you see what it's like to ride alongside. So you see the camera mounted just over his right-hand shoulder. The field now goes under the halfway mark. Brian Clark sits in the infield. He'll have to either qualify if they run a consolation race, or he'll have to start in the rear of the field. Pat McClellan is now gotten by the number 2 of Tom Keeper. Keeper's trying to slide back just a little bit. Now the 27 of Brayman takes a look down to the inside as they go double wide down the back straightaway. Souliere, Clark, and Flint are right there. Flint working that outside groove, trying to work his way up to the front and try to extend his points lead now over the number 21 of Brian Clark. Everybody now started to string out. They try to get the final qualifying spots. Keeper continues to run up the outside grooves, as does Billy Flint. The popsicle sticks are up 2 more times around. Alan Leach in the Rick's Truck and Tire, number 43, well out in front. The Deborah Bernardo, number Ranko, number 5 of Turpin, now sits still in the 2nd spot. McClellan, now 27 breaks free. That's Mike Brightman. Here comes Souliere. The white flag is out. One more time around for Alan Leach. See if Leach can hang on to pick up a heat win. He already has a feature win this season in his rookie year. And Leach continues to run very well. He's sitting 11th in the points. Back to the line. Leach gets the win. Turpin and McClellan, Brayman, Souliere, Billy Clark, Tommy Keeper, and Billy Flint.